Yes, sir.
My wall looks boring and I'm trying to make it a little bit interesting.
Even though I'm not fully equipped, I'm very determined.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art.
Hey beautiful, you
like
got a
art.
text message.
Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Show you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from my mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes before you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like. Blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie. Happy rest still indie. All I need is good energy. I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me then, can't believe that. Oh, they like me now, yeah. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. 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 Show you look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes before you get my heart. Looking like, look like art. Hills, look like art. On it, look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Look like art. Looking like.
I bonded with people I had never met before, over computers, something that I really loved. And one of my favorite memories from that year is playing a clone of Hunt the Wumpus. Hunt the Wumpus.
I would have been a star, can you see it? In the 80s I would have made it. And you probably don't care about it, but I feel so old.